Hello everyone, this is Hansshow Technology, and today we're taking a look at our new product, which is the Yoke steering wheel for the Highland Model 3. And as you can see, this yoke is made by all carbon fiber material. Let's take a look at the details on the steering wheel. Also, I'm gonna show you guys how to install the Yoke steering wheel on the Highland Model 3. So the first thing we have to do is you see this little hole right here. So we have to poke this in and take off the airbag. There's one hole on each side. So the first side, I'm gonna just insert the screwdriver, and one part is coming out. Then we go for the another side, and it's really easy. Now this is how you're taking off the airbag. And also there's like a yellow plug right here. So you can use two of your nails and holding on these two little clips right here and to pull it off. Right here, here's the airbag. And there's another connector, which is the red one, the dark red. So we do the same thing. So we're holding on the two clips and trying to pull it off. Sometimes you will be a little struggling to pull them off, but just need to be patient. So after you're taking off the dark red connector, there's a big screw that holding on the steering wheel. And it's a little bit tight. You might need someone to help you to holding on the steering wheel. And then and after that, you can get rid of the big one and use the small one to use your hand to manually loose the big screw. And after that, you can just pull off the steering wheel like that. The tools we need for taking off the screw on the steering wheel will be these three right here. The first thing I'm going to do is taking off the back ones. And after we have the back ones off, we go for the front part. And now we can taking off the brackets in here. Also, there's the thing you have to be really careful is on the both sides right here. It has two small screws, but the last time we forgot about these two screws. We lost one, so we only got one left. So right now we're already taking off all the screws right in the middle, also the middle by the rear. And now the next thing is there's also 4 screws right here. So the first thing is we have to take this little the cover off. After you're taking the cover off, there will be 3 screws right here. So we're using T10. We're using a T10 size T10 to taking off the small screws and the back. So after you're losing those 3 screws, the front cover, which is this part, will fall off. And after that step, so you're holding on this part and push it. Then you can get the back cover off. Be careful, there's like a 2 connector. You just Just pull on it, then it will come off. And then, oh, there's actually 2 more connector right here. I think it's for the button control. Oh. So after you're taking off the cover, after you're taking off this cover, there will be 6 more screws. So there's 3 on each side. So let's take it off. Okay, so right now we got the carbon fiber one. So the first thing we're gonna do is put this part on and then flip it over. And we need these 2 brackets. So I'm gonna put the left one on first. So you have to hold it a bit, like make sure it doesn't fall off. And then tighten it in. Okay, right now we already put on those 6 bolts, and after that, I think we should put on the back covers. Oh, you gotta before you put on the screw, you gotta get this little piece in here first. After you put on the back cover, so make sure there's no gap. Make sure they are all the way inside the thing, like that. And after that, we put the 4 screws right here to tighten it up. Oh, you can hear a clip once it's all the way in. Screw it on. You can use a ratchet to help you. So we already got 2 bolts screwed in already, so then we go for the bottom one. There we go. And after that, we taking this little piece, we put it on to the front, and then we screw it on with this size of the screw. So once you got these 3 bolts inside there, so you put the little cover on, little piece, and then we put this bracket back in there. Just make sure there's like a connector, the purple one. We put this one on first. So Like I mentioned in the few seconds ago, we needed 2 of this screw to holding on the rear covers, but the last time we missing one, so we only got 1. So let's put this one on first. So we already put this screw on right here for the yellow connector, the yellow harness, and after that we have to put the blue connector on the black bracket. And after those, we screw on the black bracket. So we already put everything back together, and now what we have to do is align the steering wheel on the car. Now it's in. So we put on the dark red connector. Actually we have to put on the big screw first. First you have to hand tighten it. Then use the big ratchet. And then you might also need someone to help you to hold on the steering wheel, because you gotta make sure it's all the way tight. Okay. And then the dark red connector, you put it on. Just clip it in, and then this is the airbag. Then put on the yellow connector. And after that, you just push on the airbag. And now we're done for the install.